All right, let me show you a couple examples from Excel. Okay, let's look at an example from Excel and see how we can do this. So you're not going to be able to draw on your computer, obviously. So I'm going to show you how you can do this with your calculator. The only thing you need to be able to do is find your X's and your Y's. So we got to find two good points, and let's practice real fast. So to find two good points, you're going to follow your line along, and you're going to see where your line touches a corner. So for example, here's a corner. So like the corner, there's another corner, there's another corner. So another way to think about it, like the bullseye. So you're looking for where the line crosses or touches the corner. So I'm going to follow my line along, and there we go. There's a spot it touches right here. And follow it along some more. Keep going. And again, it touches right there. Let's keep following, and right there again. So we've got 3 points to choose from. Got 3 points to choose from. So once you found two, you only need two. Then you're going to make a table. Okay, so I'm going to make a table. My X's and my Y's. So you're going to make a table with X's and Y's. And so then I'm going to write my X values and my Y values down. So this point here, let's go back to red. This point here is 3. The X value is 3. The Y value is 2. So 3, 2. So I'm going to go up to my table. I'm going to write 3, 2. Okay, let's pick another point. Let's go with this one here. Okay, so my X value is 9. Remember, X goes first when you're writing your ordered pair. So 9. My Y value over here is 4. So I could write that down, 9, 4. Okay, so once you have your table, you can use stat edit and enter your points into the calculator and figure out what your slope is. Wow, well, that was special. Let's look at another. Okay, let's practice another one real quick. So again, find your line. You're going to see where it crosses a corner. So here, it's a great spot. So that's one of my points. Keep following along. And there's another good point. Touches the corner there. We could keep going. Here's another good spot. Keep on going if you want. Remember, you only need 2 points. And so then what we're going to do, we're going to make our table. We're going to make our table with our X's and our Y's. Okay, so let's pick a couple of points. Let's go with this one and this one. Okay, doesn't matter. You can pick any 2 points you like. Okay, and I'm going to write my X value. So 3, 2. These need to be side by side. So 3, 2 goes in my table. And then let's go and let's pick. And we said we're going to go with this point. So let's pick our X value here. So my X value on the X axis, okay, would be 5. So X value would be 5. And then my Y value, moving over, look at your Y axis, would be 6. So 5, 6. Now I've got 2 points. And again, from this point, I can just put it in the calculator, get stat edit, and find my slope. It's your turn to try now, so get out some paper and practice along with me. Okay, now it's your turn to try to do it. So let's find a couple of good points. So look along your line. I like this point here. Keep on moving down your line. I like this point here. Do you see another good place where your line touches a corner? How about here? Okay, and remember, it does not matter which point you choose. Okay, so we're going to make a little XY table. We need at least 2 points though. So 2 points. Okay, let's go with this point. All right, and let's find our X value. So look down at the X axis. My X value would be 50, and my Y value would be 40. So 50, 40, you can go ahead and put that in the table. Practice, do this along with me. Okay. And then what about the next point? All right, you try. So pause the video and see if you do it correctly. Get your next point real quick. Okay, so let's go with this point. If you chose this point, X value would be 70. And our y value would also be 70. So you could have gotten 70, 70. If you were to have chosen this point, your x value would have been 30. Your y value would have been 10. 30, 10. And put those in your calculator. Get your equation, which will give you your slope.